Hello, I'm John Barboza from Life Enriching Hypnosis, and you are listening to Hypnotism 101. Thanks for tuning in. Begin by making yourself comfortable. Close your eyelids and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your body to begin relaxing, letting go of any tension you may be holding. Take another deep, slow breath. And as you breathe out, feel your mind starting to become calm and focused. With every breath, you feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. With each exhale, allow yourself to become even more comfortable, more at ease. Notice how your muscles relax, how your mind becomes clear and receptive. As your body becomes more relaxed, shift your attention to your breathing. Notice each breath becoming slower, calmer, and more effortless. With every breath, you drift deeper into a peaceful, relaxed state. Focus your attention on the top of your head. And imagine a gentle wave of relaxation beginning there. With each breath, let each wave slowly move down, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Notice your facial muscles softening. With each breath, this wave washes away any stress or negativity, leaving you feeling calm. Let the feeling of relaxation flow down your neck, across your shoulders, and down your arms. Feel your arms growing heavier, loose and limp. Allow this sensation to move down your chest and back, easing any tension. Let it continue down your legs, all the way to your toes. Now imagine yourself at the top of a gentle staircase. In a moment, you will begin to descend the steps. And with each step down, you will feel twice as relaxed, twice as calm. I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, allow yourself to go deeper. 10. Feeling calm and relaxed. 9. Going deeper. 8. Every muscle loose and heavy. 7. Sinking further. 6. Peaceful and serene. 5. Halfway down, deeply relaxed. 4. Calm and comfortable. 3. Nearly at the bottom. 2. Almost there. 1. Deeply relaxed, peaceful, and calm. As you relax, begin to focus your attention on your goals and dreams. Picture them clearly in your mind. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, feeling the satisfaction and pride that comes with success. Notice the details, where you are, what you see, how you feel. Repeat quietly in your mind, I am motivated and determined. I have the power to achieve my goals. Every day, I am moving closer to success. Obstacles are opportunities for growth. I believe in myself and my abilities. As you repeat these affirmations, feel your motivation growing stronger with each word. Imagine a bright light within you, representing your inner strength and determination. See this light growing brighter, filling you with energy, confidence, and drive. Repeating quietly in your mind, I am motivated and determined. I have the power to achieve my goals. Every day, I am moving closer to success. Obstacles are opportunities for growth. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am motivated and determined. I have the power to achieve my goals. Every day, I am moving closer to success. Obstacles are opportunities for growth. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am motivated and determined. Feel your motivation growing stronger with each word. I have the power to achieve my goals. Imagine a bright light within you, representing your inner strength and determination. Every day, I am moving closer to success. See this light growing brighter, filling you with energy, confidence, and drive. Obstacles are opportunities for growth. Every effort brings you nearer to your goals. I believe in myself and my abilities. Your journey to success begins now. Now take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your personal growth and motivation. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath, and when you feel ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, motivated, and ready to take positive action.